Gather close, dear children, and I'll tell you a tale that will make you hold your breath, of a girl and a dress and an evening spent dancing a waltz with death. There was a young woman who was very lonely. She desperately wanted to find herself a husband, but having very little money, she hardly ever went out to meet someone. But one day, she received an invitation to a party at an expensive hotel. The girl wanted to go badly, but she didn't have any nice clothes to wear for such an occasion. She didn't even have enough money to buy a new dress. But her mother made a suggestion that she buy a dress from the second-hand shop. The girl went down to the shop not far from where she lived and managed to find a beautiful white satin evening gown. It fit her perfectly and was surprisingly cheap. She immediately bought it and rushed home. And that night, when she arrived at the hotel, the girl looked so radiant and attractive that all eyes were on her. Every single young man at the dance wanted to meet her, and she danced with one handsome man after another and was having a wonderful time. Soon, however, she began to feel dizzy and faint. She asked one of the young men to help her into a taxi, and when the girl got home, she crawled up the stairs and lay down on her bed. The next morning, the girl's mother knocked on the door of her bedroom, but there was no answer, and when the woman opened the door, she found her daughter lying lifeless on the bed. She called the doctor, but it was no use. The girl was already gone. And when the doctor called for an autopsy to be done, it was discovered that the girl had been poisoned. Tests were done, and traces of the poison fluids were found on the dress. Because she had been dancing so much, the girl had started to sweat, and the poison had entered her pores. The police questioned the owner of the second-hand shop, and he admitted to buying the dress from an undertaker's helper who had stolen the dress off of a corpse just before she was buried.